Here is a video of an ITO cruiser I just refurbished, got it running, polished all the fittings, cleaned it up, etc. I did not repaint it, except for the light preserver. Added my flag on the rear, but just basically cleaned up a nice boat. Made a stand for it, of course. And these are nice little cruisers. It's 18-inch. Everybody says ITO, so we'll say ITO. Anyway, here it is running. Nice big horseshoe motor. There's the inside. Redid just cleaned up the switch. Everything you see is original, all original parts. The gearbox, took it all apart, it's all brass, polished it all up, cleaned it up, lubed it up. Same thing for all the contacts, etc. Rebuilt the horseshoe motor, runs as good as new now. The noise you hear is the gearbox. I got a lot of gear lube in it, but I don't want to put too much because it'll gum it up and it won't work. But it's noisy. Here's forward. Here's reverse. Forward and reverse. There she is underneath, cleaned up all the props, rudders. You can see the grease throwing out from the shafts. That's just par for the course, just wipe it off. But that's original paint. I just polished it. Made the stand. I had to make the hatch, it was missing. There's no number on the boat anywhere, but you can see I blended it in pretty good, you can't even tell. And the cabin, same thing, just cleaned it up. Cleaned up the contacts. Put a new bulb in the spotlight. Polished her up. It's a nice 18-inch boat. The customer had a rocket I restored. That'll be the next video, but this is going online. I have a short video of what I did to this online too. And anyway, this is getting boxed up and going out today or tomorrow. But it's a nice boat. It really is a nice cruiser. Has great lines on the hull. Nice lines on that hull. Anyway, if you got a boat need to be restored, send me pictures to rbojck@gmail.com and I'll get back with you. I still have a whole line of boats I make. The website's down, but so if you're interested in any of my boats that I do make, let me know and we can go from there. Thanks again.